If you're listening to this, it means you've been through something hard. You've faced pain, heartbreak, disappointment, maybe even depression. But guess what? You survived. You made it through the worst days of your life. And now, it's time to do more than survive. It's time to thrive. Your past does not define your future. You didn't come this far just to stay stuck. This is your moment. This is your time. The storm, you survived. Remember the nights you cried alone. The mornings you didn't want to get out of bed. The pain that made your chest feel heavy. You survived all of that. You've been knocked down, but you got up. Maybe slowly, maybe silently, but you rose. That's real strength. Not in pretending to be okay, but in continuing. When nothing made sense. You lost things, people, dreams, parts of yourself. But you never lost your soul. That fire inside you, it's still burning. You didn't break. You bent. And now, you rise. Healing in progress. Healing doesn't mean the pain disappears. It means you start to carry it differently. It means the pain no longer controls your life, and healing takes time. Some days it looks like progress. Other days it feels like you're going backwards. But every day you choose to try again. That's healing. You deserve peace. You deserve love, real love. You deserve to be proud of who you're becoming. You are not broken. You're rebuilding, brick by brick, moment by moment, and you're doing better than you think. Turning pain into power. Your pain taught you something. It taught you strength. It taught you what matters. It showed you how powerful you really are. You can use that pain. You can turn it into purpose, into fuel, into passion. You can use it to help others, to inspire, to create, to lead. Some of the strongest people on earth came from the darkest places, and now they shine because they chose not to stay stuck in the past. You can do the same. Your story can become someone else's survival guide. You were hurt, but you were not defeated. You were tested, and you passed. Now it's time to live with power. Not in fear, not in silence, but in freedom. It's time to thrive. You didn't just survive for nothing. You didn't come this far just to settle. It's time to thrive, to feel joy again, to wake up with hope, to create a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks okay from the outside. Start small. A morning walk, a deep breath, a phone call to someone who lifts you up. Build habits that serve you. Surround yourself with love. Speak kindly to yourself. You are worthy of joy, of success, of peace, of thriving. This is your life, and you get to decide what happens next. Set boundaries. Walk away from what drains you. Run toward what builds you. And most of all, keep choosing yourself. Every single day. You are not a victim. You are a survivor, becoming a thriver. The beginning of a new chapter. Take a deep breath. Look how far you've come. You've survived heartbreak. You've walked through darkness. And still, here you are, standing tall. This isn't the end. This is your new beginning. From today forward, speak life into your dreams. Believe in your future. Trust your journey. Because you didn't come this far to just exist. You came to live, to shine, to thrive. You survived the worst.